In this video, I will go over things to look for when reviewing your preliminary director's report and how to complete the Notice of Error reply form. Recently, IDWR mailed the preliminary director's report for your water right claims in the Clark Fork Pend Oreille River Basin adjudication. This is an important opportunity to review IDWR's conclusions regarding your water rights, resolve errors, and have questions answered before the report is finalized and filed with the adjudication court. In the packet that was mailed, you should have received your water right recommendations with notice of error forms and a prepaid return envelope, instruction for how to review your water right and complete the notice of error reply, letter from Matthew Weaver, Director of IDWR, general map of the Clark Fork Pend Oreille River Basin adjudication boundary for vicinity reference, and a letter from the presiding judge of the Clark Fork Pend Oreille River Basin adjudication court. In this video, we will talk primarily about your water right recommendation and the notice of error forms. Here's an example of a notice of error form. In the very top in bold is the deadline date to return the notice of error reply form. The notice of error reply must be mailed before that deadline to give IDWR adequate time to address issues and answer questions. Below that is your water right number and the contact information we have on record. Below that are 3 questions. If there is any portion of the preliminary recommendation that is inaccurate or that you disagree with, please complete items number 1, 2, and 3 on the reply, sign where indicated, and return the reply in the envelope provided. If you agree with the proposed recommendation, we would ask that you check the box next to I agree and return the form to us for our records. Note that the notice of error reply form is not a binding agreement. You can check that you agree and then change your mind later and still file an objection at a later date. Beneath the signature line is the contact information to the regional office, but within the information packet that was mailed is the contact information for the state office as well. The page after the notice of error reply form will be your preliminary recommendation. Examine the recommendation carefully. If your water right includes irrigation as a purpose of use, a map should be included. We have posted an additional video that will explain how to search for your water right and generate a map. Look for errors in spelling, names, and addresses on the water right printout. If your address is changed, correct the information on the notice of error form, sign it, and return it to IDWR. Or you may write a letter signed by the claimant of record, describe the address change, and list the water rights involved. Look for differences between what IDWR proposes to be recommended and what you think your water right should be. The packet mailed to you doesn't include a copy of your original claim, but you can view your claim information through IDWR's website. If you no longer own the property represented in the water right, please forward this mailing to the new owner or contact IDWR's Northern Region office or IDWR's state office. Contact information can be found on IDWR's website. This concludes our review of the Notice of Error reply form and the preliminary recommendation. Please see our videos for information on how to search for water rights using the text-based search or map-based search. Thank you.